Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress website with Hostinger in just 30 minutes. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites from the top. Then click on Dashboard next to your website. To install WordPress, just head down to Website and click Auto Installer or WordPress. Click on Install next to Install WordPress. Now you need to fill in your website credentials like the website title, then your administrator email, username and password. Click on Next. For the application version, I always recommend to use the latest WordPress version for better security. And for your site language, you can select it from this drop-down menu. After that, click on Install. Now your WordPress is created successfully. Let's check it. All we need to do is to install a new WordPress theme. To do that, we need to log in to our WordPress dashboard. You can do it from this admin panel button. It's easier. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click on this Add New Theme button. Personally, I prefer the Astra themes. Activate this Astra theme and click on Let's get started with starter templates. You can go with an AI website builder or classic starter templates. I prefer to go with the classic starter templates. After clicking on your preferred template, click on Continue. Skip this step and submit and build my website. Our new website is ready. Let's refresh this page. And this is how to make a WordPress website with Hostinger in under 30 minutes. To do different things with your WordPress website, just go to your dashboard. You can add a new post. You can create categories for your posts. You can add media like a photo or a video. You can create a new page. You can manage your comments from here. You can add another theme from this page. In order to make your WordPress site faster, we need to delete some useless plugins. For example, this Hostinger Easy Boarding and Hostinger tools and starter templates, we don't need them, so we can deactivate them first in order to delete them. After they are disabled, we can delete them. They are now deleting. From your WordPress dashboard, you can also add another user to publish articles under his name. And under settings, you can change your site title, your site icon, and your email address, and many things. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe.